Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce, and in today's video I want to show you how it's been like to be a YouTuber during this first year, how much I have spent in new things and how much I have earned of income, and I will tell you what sources of income I have had during this year. I want to document everything here and show you how you can do during your first year as a YouTuber. So first of all, I want to start to tell you that I started my channel on February of 2020 last year, and my channel started to be monetized until July, and YouTube doesn't pay much. I will show you right now my analytics, and you can see how much I have earned per month, so you can see it by yourself. Let me show you. Let's go to my computer now. I'm using my Maona podcast microphone because it's really needed when I'm using the computer, because my computer fan is making a lot of noise, so I really need this microphone because that one still catches all the computer noise. Okay, so let's go to my YouTube studio. Let's go YouTube studio, and I can show you right now what are my analytics. Okay, and I've been watching these very closely. Let me show you what has been my revenue so far. So this is my revenue during the last 28 days, but I started monetizing the past July. So here is what you can see. Since it was actually July 2nd, and YouTube doesn't pay you until the next month. These are my graphics. You can see that I have earned so far in the whole year $183.65 so far until today, which is January 24th. Now, if you go here to see more, you can see how much I have earned since July. So in July, I started the month with $12.88. Then on August, 18, and then September is 21, and then 15, and November 17, and YouTube doesn't pay you until you have reached at least $100. So you will have your money there, but they won't transfer it to you until you have at least $100. On December, because I made Vlogmas, I was uploading almost every day a video from December 1st until December 24th, and you can see that my revenue changed and was increased to $50.55. Now you can see here that so far until today, January 24th, I have reached $47.74, and the month has an end. So it's getting better, and thank you for that, because it's because of you that you have been watching my videos. So let's see. You can see the graphic how was going up here, and then in December it has a spike, and so far I'm almost reaching that amount again. Okay, so this is what I have earned during this past year with YouTube. As you can see, it's not much, and I only have 1,406 subscribers so far. So what YouTube pays you is based on how high your RPM is. So for example, here I have this video, which is the top earning video. I have a lot of videos, and this one, the teaching toddlers how to skate, is the most viewed video since I started. Okay, and this one has earned only $4.81 since it was published, and this was back in March, so you can see it's not much. And this one, the how to create an Amazon wish list, has around 2,000 views, and this one the top earning video so far, and this one has a RPM of $15, whereas the other one $14. Remember that. Whereas the other one, the Teaching Toddlers How to Skate, has RPM of $1.19. So that's why I haven't earned much with this video. This is what YouTube has been paying me so far. Now, let's go to my other income sources. Some of my past clients that I had for my testing or Scrum Master position before, they came back so I could help them to grow their YouTube channels, and it was great because they saw that I was growing my YouTube channel, so I started also helping them with some of the administration and management tasks of YouTube. And also one of my other clients asked me to help her to grow her YouTube channel with some of the things that I had learned, and it's been great. I'm just growing slowly, starting with these clients, but it's great to have an extra income of those clients as well. So from those clients, I have received during this year around $3,250 for these two clients. So it's been really actually a good income there, and I think it was really because I started my YouTube channel and it opened some other doors for me. This is one income I have, and also I earned, this is a very ridiculous amount, but I'm gonna count it as well, from affiliate links, affiliate marketing from Amazon. I earned $3.45, which is, like I said, but it's there. And also for free products, I have earned around $180, and all of the amounts that I'm telling you are in Canadian dollars. Which products I have had, like free products? Okay, remember my Maono video right here? So that one is this microphone that I'm using right now, and this is a great podcast microphone that Maono was able to provide me and sponsor the other video so I could promote this microphone. And this one has a value of $114, and it works very, very good. So if you want to check that out, I'm gonna put it on the description down below. Also, the Beatable microphone, it's like the Rode microphone. I haven't talked about that yet, but stay tuned because I'm gonna be doing a review this month about this microphone. That one has a price of $39. There's also another product that I got recently, and this is a nails dryer. It was about $19, so I got that product for free as well. So in total is over $230 that I have earned only for free products. Not bad, huh? And those have been my total earnings for this year of being a YouTuber. And if you go to the total of that, it adds up to $3,623 with 45 cents. So it's not bad for the first year. And as you can see, I am not relying on YouTube ads for my total income. There are a lot of other sources out there, and you have to stick with those as well, because like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, YouTube doesn't pay much, and then they take some percentage of your income, so you need to really look for other income sources. So let's talk about the expenses. I made a video in December about some of the best YouTuber gifts, and I'm gonna put the link right here so you can see it. And there I mentioned all of my gear, the hardware gear that I have been purchasing during this first year of being a YouTuber. Some of those things I have been unboxing and reviewing, so you can see all of those videos as well. I will link all of them on the description down below. So I'm gonna mention all of them and you can see them here. So the first thing is this camera that I am using to record this video is the Canon EOS M50. Okay, that one was 800 Canadian dollars. The other is the Rode microphone and it was $83. The tripod, I have had 3 different types of tripods. So I have like 2 small ones and one that is like the one that I use the most, and the biggest one was $32, the other was $24, and the other was $25. Then the lights that I really need, because you know it's Canada and you never know when the sunny days will be. In wintertime it's mostly cloudy, so we really need to have some lights. Those were $84, and I have the video of the review of them as well. Also the memory cards, I have 2 of those, and let me show you. I have one right here, this one. These SD cards, for the 2 of them the price was like $47 with 58 cents. And also I got a hard drive so I could back up all my videos there, and that one was $89.99. So all of those products I have been investing so I could improve the quality of my videos, but also I invested in some software, and to mention some of it that I really use for my videos, thumbnails, all kind of editing software. Currently I'm using CAMTASIA, and I paid for the newest license last year. Also I got the Canva Pro. For that one is $16.95 every month, and also I got TubeBuddy, which is $9 per month. And I use other tools to edit some of my thumbnails, like Facetune 2, and I also use Procreate. So let me know if you want me to go any deeper on any of the products I have mentioned. Some of these applications, like CAMTASIA license, was one-time payment, but it was a bigger payment. Procreate, I think it's one-time payment as well. And Facetune also, I just did one-time payment. But TubeBuddy and Canva, those are $26. So in total it's $26 per month that I am investing, so I can have Canva Pro and I also have TubeBuddy. Those are the main things that I use. I am looking to invest in another editing software, so if you have any suggestions on any tool that you're using right now, just let me know in the comments below. Also, I'm looking to invest maybe in some other tool like for music, but right now I'm just using YouTube free music, like because I don't want to spend much until I grow more my channel. So in total I have earned around 2,200 Canadian dollars from my clients, my affiliate links, and my ad revenue. And as you know, the highest amount was from my clients. If you are a YouTuber and you have other incomes, please let us know what are your main incomes, because I know YouTube doesn't pay much, so we need to have these other sources like the ones I just mentioned. Either you provide a service, a product, or anything else. What I suggest is that you use YouTube as a platform so you can get more audience, attract more people, and you can promote yourself somehow. So these are my results during my first year as a YouTuber. It's not bad. I mean, I wasn't expecting to get these clients that soon, and that was one of my goals, to have more clients, to open more doors for me. And as an entrepreneur mommy, I really love having my clients and having this other option of it's been really good. I mean, I have been learning a lot of things, and my channel has been growing thanks to you. That is it for this video today, and I hope this video has given you some ideas and some maybe expectations on the reality that how much a YouTuber can make during the first year. So if you like this video, don't forget to please click on that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button as well. If you would like to see more videos about how has been for me to be a YouTuber, just let me know in the comments below. Remember that as an entrepreneur mommy, I am posting every week. The Wednesdays are my videos in English and are mostly about tutorials and reviews. And in Spanish, I'm doing a lot of entrepreneurial tips and things that you can use and how you can grow your business or services. If you're new to my channel, so you can have an idea of what you will be watching in my future videos. Okay, that's it for today. See you the next time. Bye bye.